Hello guys, in this particular video tutorial, I am going to tell you about the problem that the most of the developer are facing regarding the integrating the advertisement in your Android application. So for integration of the Android application, you require the SHA-1 certificate that you have to register onto the AdMob. And how you will get that certificate, because the two different certificates are there. At the debug time, it will take the another certificate, the strings will be different, and at the time of the compilation the strings will be different. So make sure you will use your executable SHA-1 certification for the AdMob registration of your Android application. So here I will give you the steps for taking the SHA-1 certification. So here, this is the Android Studio. Inside that one, just click on the Gradle over here. Just click on the refresh button once. So it will run the Gradle scripts again, and wait for the few seconds to it will load the Gradle scripts. And though it will take some time, so you have to just wait for the Gradle to load. So that's it. So that is what the Gradle scripts are over here. Just click on your application, click on your root application over here, go into the task, go into the Androids, and click on the signing report. So whenever you click on the signing report, it will just execute this particular signing report, and in this particular run console, it will show you the different SHA-1 certification key that are already created for you when you will register your application for the advertisement on the AdMob. So this is what the release key over here, the release unit states will be over here, the SHA-1 certification for the release states will be over here. So you have to use this particular SHA-1 certification for registering your application. So just copy this particular SHA-1 certification, which is different from our debug certification. So just copy this one. Now go to the AdMob and go inside the activity. From the home, go inside the API manager, go for the credentials, and make sure you will select your kind of a project for which you are registering your SHA-1 certification. So here is the map me over here for which I am registering this particular SHA-1 certification. So go into the credential. Here it will load the credential that I have already defined one credential over here, and create a new credential, API key, select the Android key. Here the Android key will be there, add the package name and the fingerprint. So in terms of the SHA-1 certification fingerprint, just paste your copied SHA-1 certification and give your desired package name over here. Okay, so your package name, the domain name will be in between of the com and the application name, and here it is. Now just click on the create. So it will create the API key for you that you can use now onwards in your application. So make sure you don't use the debug SHA-1 certification, but you will take the certification SHA-1 certificate from this kind of a procedure, from the signing report of your Android application. So thank you, and if you will get any query regarding this scenario, then you can always comment back on these particular videos, so we can answer back. So thank you very much.